Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the taillight bulbs on this Honda Pilot. Alright guys, first thing you got to do is open up the hatch, and you got to take off these two bolts, this one, and that you could do with a Phillips head or a 8mm, so let's do that. Alright, now you're able to remove the taillight. Alright guys, try pulling off the taillight. If it doesn't pull out, you need to get one of these trim tools and just stick it in here and pry it away from the car, okay? There's two pins, one here, one here. Alright, so once you do that, see the pins? One here, they go in here, so they just snap in there. Now you're able to get to your bulbs, okay? Okay, to remove the bulbs, all you're gonna do is twist this counterclockwise and pull out the bulb, okay? Now the bulb, all you gotta do is pull it out, and that's it. All right, these are the bulbs you need, 7443. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys need to buy it from Amazon, okay? All right, guys, take your bulb and all you gotta do is put it back in, and then put it right back in the taillight assembly. And once it's in, you turn clockwise, and that's it. Now the next thing you wanna do is carefully, you don't want to scratch all this paint. Put these pins in the holes. Alright, like that. Alright, that's it. Now you gotta put your bolts back in. Alright, we got lights. So now, in case you were wondering, they're both tail lights, but this is the brake light. Let me show you. So they both use the same bulb. This is your backup light, and that might use a different bulb, but the whole procedure is the same thing, okay? So it's pretty simple. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.